How's it going, guys? We were working on this car trying to get the axle nut off. It was really tight in there, and I'm gonna show you how we were able to eventually get this done. So as you can see, we pried the rotor with a crowbar like this in between two lug nuts, and we've got this 3/8 of an inch wrench. All right, we couldn't find the socket with the 3/8, so we had to use an adapter. So it's like $5 in Harbor Freight. And we've got this long pipe, the longer the better, for a lot of leverage. And check this out, buttery smooth. Hit it with a hammer to create some sort of like a impact vibration, because we tried the impact gun and this also wouldn't work. Okay, so if you're still struggling, you feel like this is bending, you can just hit it with a hammer somewhere here to create this vibration, and a lot of times it breaks it loose. And if even this doesn't work for you, chances are it's probably seized, really rusty in there. So what you can do is you could heat it up with a torch, pour some water on it, and that should contract and expand and should break loose the nut. You can also try to use a chisel, and you basically try to unscrew the nut with a chisel, and it's going to turn, but you may damage the nut. Or what you can do, you can basically cut through the nut completely, split it apart, get it out, and just get a brand new nut, which is going to be a lot cheaper than all the struggle that you're going to go through. Okay, let me know if this was helpful. Drop a comment below, give this video a like as well. If you're interested, all of the tools that we used in this video will be listed down in the description area below. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks, bye.